You're watching the HGP Nightly News. As we continue, the Ministry of Health has dispelled claims being made by a former member of parliament following the death of a 19-year-old patient at the recently commissioned $6.6 billion Lima Hospital on the Essequibo Coast. Is the RHO trying to cover up the incident? Marvin Kato has more.
Former Member of Parliament and Region 2 resident Sherwin Holder posted on his Facebook on Tuesday, August 26, that just one day after the government's commissioning ceremony for the new Lima Regional Hospital, a 19-year-old anemic patient died allegedly due to the absence of oxygen. Holder's post claimed that sources close to the hospital disclosed that the patient was transferred from Charity Hospital in a stable condition, but upon his arrival at the Lima Hospital, he required oxygen, which was absent at the facility. He also claimed that the said source also noted, and I quote, that there has been yet another death, pushing the total to 2 since the hospital has been declared open less than 1 week ago. Staff has been warned not to speak with any media on these matters. However, a statement from the Ministry of Health debunked these claims, saying, and I quote, "No death at Lima Hospital was due to lack of oxygen," close quote. It said the management of the Lima Regional Hospital, Pomeroon Supernam, is aware of malicious and misleading reports being circulated regarding the unfortunate passing of a patient on August 23, 2025. According to Regional Health Officer RHO Dr. Ranjeev Singh, the article circulating on social media is false. He categorically stated that the claims of an absence of oxygen and suggestions that the hospital was unprepared are false, malicious, and without basis in facts. Dr. Singh said the facts are that the deceased, a 19-year-old male, had a long-standing medical history of sickle cell disease, with frequent hospital admissions over the years. He was also recently suspected of leukemia and was referred to the Georgetown Public Hospital hematology clinic, but unfortunately, he did not follow through with his referral. However, reliable sources told Nightly News that the claims made by the former Member of Parliament are true, and I quote, "The story from the RHO is a cover-up," end quote. The source said, and I quote, "They have only portable oxygen and they're transferring patients to Saudi," close quote. The source said too that most recently, and I quote, "a maternity mother was transferred to Saudi because they don't have any oxygen source. It's a disaster and it's only oxygen cylinders they have," close quote. We were also told that, and I quote, "politics has taken over the healthcare system in Essequibo and that should not be," close quote. This is Marvin Kato reporting for HGP Nightly News.